Oh, good.
But this is my big map pouch, like with the big pouch, because I'm probably not gonna need this shit.
Colin's like,
Oh fuck, it's slippery.
reloading.
More on this way. Yeah, they're going for the gate.
Watch it. So far. Alright, I'm going to show him. Hey, Miguel, you want to go?
Cross the top!
I've been shot like 4 times. Y'all are all going to get murdered.
Oh, I'm glad to see you.
Alright, boys.
Both sides of us. Medic?
Watch right there. There's somebody behind that can. Camera.
Hey! If you're dead, get out of here. You're in the line of fire.
What the? You're in the line of fire.
Why don't they just tell me? I'm goddamn medic. You gotta call for a medic, guys. Jesus Christ. Don't just sit there. I don't know if you're dead or not. One behind the plane. We got one behind the plane.
When you fall back, I'll go right.
Jet! Jet!
One down! Right there, see him? Hey, Dylan, he's in the UN base! I don't know.
Miguel, how are you?
Pretty good. You?
Good to see you, bro.
Oh, man. No, there's one dude. I think he just wiped out all of us, so.
Okay, so.
But, I mean, he's gonna.
Is this ours?
This?
That's our vehicle. We want
That's ours. That vehicle's ours. There's one enemy. If he's still
Do you
alive.
have anybody back there with a radio? It was
No, I don't think so. Fucking run it! Watch out, watch out!
Jet! Get out! Get out!
Yeah, brother, now you're right up here. Oh, be careful. I know, Red, goddamn.
I'm prepared to find it. That's what the fuck are you doing? Look at Ale. Look at Ale. Get out! Get out!
Yeah, I got it.
Get out!
Oh shit.
I'm trying to move along to
Where?
Disguised as a brush.
From where? This comes from my backside. I don't even see him. Hey, we can move up to that, no we can't, no we can't.
Cinder blocks?
Yeah, no.
That's a long shot.
Well, if we hit the plane, then we hit the cinder blocks, we could, but I think there's guys this way, but I'm pretty sure because I know for a fact they're not all back there. Because they came from this way. They came from that way, so they pushed this way, so I'm pretty sure there's that deal. We're kind of fucked, so we gotta push this, we gotta push up. But we gotta do it all at the same time, because if we don't, then we'll get fucked from another direction. That guy needs to get his fucking sniper up and start sniping these bitches, because I can hit that kid right there with a sniper rifle. Hey, they're pushing. They're pushing. Hey, Jet, your left. They're pushing. Holy shit, where's that coming from?
Fuck, right down.
I don't see it, man. Get down, get down, get down, get down. I got you.
Oh,
I got you. Oh.
that is the smallest band-aid I've ever seen.
Hold on, we can make this work. Oh my god, your muscles. Oh, your sexual skills.
Whatever. Have you seen my arm? My arm is like fat.
Yeah. You would have gone on a mission trying to get Noah?
Yeah, boy. Yeah, let's go.
Hold on.
You're gonna die!
Oh, you going for him?
I'm going for him.
Hey, in the window, Let's go. Yeah. Hey, Jet, you got out of the building. Head is right. Hey, you go to the tower. Hey, that's shotgun. That's brand new shotgun. It hurts. They were right here. I don't know where all the way. I saw someone that went. Is there anyone in 2000? Is there anyone that would?
Russia.
Dude, I'm wearing Woodland.
What happened? Are you down?
Yeah.
Tower? Huh? I think the tower's clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
How do we get in?
Mostly. It's a stairway on the left.
You can go up the tower, Miguel?
We can tower defense.
Yeah, we'll get tower, we'll get tower. No, it's the center block. What?
Come on, boy!
Hit. Give him a bandage.
Yo, Rockwood, you two suppress him!
Yeah, I'm good. I get hit in the face.
Dylan, I'm dragging you, okay?
Bro. Yeah, drag me.
Drop it clear, drop it clear.
All right.
Are we calling index?
You, my face good?
Yeah, you're good, man.
All right, because I got shot in the face. Fuck, that hurt.
Index.